Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is called the Buffalo Check Easter Collaboration. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor, and more. So come along with me as I show you what I have decorated. And you could decorate an area in your home or just do a DIY. So what I have, I've done a vignette on my coffee table tray. So come along, let me show you what I have here. And we was told that we would need to use Easter eggs. So you see all of the little eggs spread across my tray. So let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I've taken my tray, I've made an actual lantern with a bunny in it, and you can see the little bunny. I put a bow on top. The bunny, the eggs, and the bow all came from the Dollar Tree. You see a little house here, and my great-grandson's little pig. He wanted to put the pig in the house instead of a bunny, so I let him do that. I also let him use his two little cards to put on side of the house. The eggs that you see spread all over are from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I have the little ones and the small one. Right here, those are coasters from the Dollar Tree. The flowers here are also from the Dollar Tree. And the ribbon here is from the Dollar Tree. And it has little bunnies and eggs on it also. So I think it was a cute little vignette. My grandson loves it. And it does scream Easter. As you all know, I have 14 grandkids, so I'm always trying to do something that they will enjoy during the holidays. And I think I hit it with this one. But you could put it on your coffee table too if you do not have grandkids or kids around. It still would make a great vignette for Easter. And all of the items that I have decorated with are from the Dollar Tree, except the two houses you see here. They are from Goodwill. The lantern is from Goodwill, and the little house is from Goodwill. Everything else in here is from the Dollar Tree. The tray, I think, was from Burlington's. Well, I hope I've given you some ideas today for your Easter decor. And I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor DIY for inviting me to be a part of this open collaboration. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, comment, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. I will be leaving the Grace Life DIY home decor information in my description box. And you all make sure you go over and check out her channel and all of the ladies who are participating in this open collaboration. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video.